mentoring is everything. That's the way we learn. The idea that you see something and then you follow through with it and then eventually learn how to do something is great. The issue, though, is that in any surgical discipline, unless you have someone who come alongside and help you along with all the different challenges, then you'll never learn.
AIM is an acronym, and it stands for Advanced Implant Mentoring. And, realistically, all doctors want to take an advanced course. Nobody wants an introduction course. So advanced just kind of fit it. And implant mentoring was simply the fact that it would be small class, one-on-one, a lot of personal interaction, not only with Rob and I, but with our teams. And I think that's what sets us apart. We're not an institute, we're not a college, we're a mentoring program.
So Dr. Iacobelli and Dr. DeRazio, so personable. As mentors, they were unbelievable. They allowed us on a very personal level to look over their shoulder, see how implants were placed, hold our hand as we did our own initial ones, and then kind of guided us as the program went on. They were amazing.
What separates this AIM course from some of the other programs is they teach you some critical thinking about it, like what happens in this scenario, what would you do in this scenario. So your mind is set for those on-the-fly decisions that you have to make in implant placement and implant restorations, because it's not always one way or exactly what you thought it was. You can do all the pre-planning you want, but sometimes it's different, or this happens or that happens. So they teach you what to do in those different scenarios, which eases your mind and makes you much more comfortable as a practitioner.
It's great. It really is. I learned so much hands-on, and it's very good to bring your assistant. Let them get in it and see it, and then they can apply what they learn at home with their office.
They challenge you all the time. You don't just sit and lecture, you're questioned, and during the process of surgery, why you're doing this way, what are you going to choose to do here? You're constantly being taught by both of them. Think about what you're doing and why you're doing it. Just don't go in blindly. Have a plan, understand the whys and what kind of results you're going to get based on following those rules and those good techniques.
What you get here is predictable, science-based, technique correct, and conservative, but works, and comprehensive. What you get in other places, I don't think I could apply those words to that.
Our hope is that the doctors and the staffs that come to us walk away with a feeling of completeness. We want them to walk away knowing that they have more knowledge than they had before they came to see us. We want them to walk away with confidence and knowing that when they diagnose a patient or they see a case that they can handle, that they're confident in doing their offices, as opposed to worrying what's the next step or why or how's. These are the questions they pose us when they come to see us.
At the end of the day, when a doctor has completed many of the courses that we teach, we look for that handshake, that hug that say, boy, you really helped change my practice for the better. My staff is energized, and I feel confident in what I'm doing in placing implant-wise, and the cases I'm doing are bigger, and it's made my life better.